Hi, welcome to this video. To use Notion synced blocks to update multiple pages instantly, create a sync block, add your content, and click copy in sync and paste it across any page in your workspace. Updating the content in any instance will instantly update all copies. But if you already have text or tables on a page that you want to mirror elsewhere, you don't need to recreate them. So select the existing blocks by dragging across them with your cursor, right? Now click the six dot handle next to the blocks, right? Select turn into, right? And scroll a bit down to find synced block, right? And click copy and paste, or excuse me, not copy and paste, copy in sync, then paste in sync on your other pages. Now, a sync block is indicated by a colored border. When clicked, a menu will show how many pages it is on and identify the original creation location. Next, synced blocks inherit the viewing and editing permissions of the page they are located on. People who have access to the pasted page can view the content, but may not be able to edit it unless they have permission on the original page. Now, if you want to make an isolated change to just one page without affecting the others, click the three dots in the corner of the synced block and select unsync. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.